bila mana kita yang tertinggal perkara-perkara sunat abad ini, maka kita ni mesti melakukan sujud sahwi. Itu artinya sunat abad yang mana juga sunat-sunat abad ini terbahagi kepada dua. Iaitu yang pertama sekali sunat-sunat sebelum menunaikan solat, dan ketika
one picture Tony sent to Craig, it's got the tire marks right in front of his parking spot.
Don't hit us.
What the? ID signal itu ulangnya.
Oh my God! Wow. Come on, buddy. What are you doing here?
मर्जी करने वाला भैया लंबा रास्ता आ जाता आगे आने तो ज्यादा ना ट्रैक ना लगी नहीं बच गया यार
not made more true by your fear during the situation. And of course, my example always for this is 35-year-old white women who
Ой-ой-ой-ой-ой, что делается-то,
Офигеть! Мамочка, закрыли! Бля.
Ух ты!
И предназначена для передачи.
Оу!
Что это?
Ах ты, блядь, сука!
Fortunately, the train driver stopped in time and everyone was safe. Collision in Elgin, Texas on September 21st. Side collision incident on February 18th, 2024 in Omsk. Everyone is fine after the collision. Dashcam footage of a collision in the USA on November 8th. The cause was the green car speeding beyond the allowed limit. The incident occurred in Baltimore on the night of February 8th. Praying that everyone survived. Airbags and seatbelts protected the driver from the collision, resulting in only minor injuries. November 17th in the USA.
Есть! Ёбаный, блядь!
On September 7th in Bryafovetskaya, a collision occurred between a car and a truck, praying that everyone is safe. Driver lost control, leading to a collision on September 21st in the UK. No one was seriously injured after the incident. Fortunately, no one was injured after the collision between a truck and a train on February 9th in Palmetto, Georgia. A confrontation between Kenworth and Scania in Tasmania on March 26, 2024. Both vehicles suffered only minor scratches. No one was seriously injured. The collision occurred on January 18th at the NJ Turnpike. On the Novostrakan Highway on February 22nd, 2024. The incident was caused by a truck parked in the wrong place.
This is horrible. Oh my God!
Collision at the Mesa, Arizona intersection when two cars tried to beat the yellow light. The incident occurred on April 22nd. Dashcam footage of a collision on a highway in the USA on October 24th. The driver suddenly turned left, causing the incident. Hope the driver in the car is safe. Vehicle incident in the Urals on February 7th. The incident occurred in Voronezh at the Cosmonauts intersection on November 4th. People sustained only minor injuries. A tree suddenly fell on a taxi in Lviv on November 30th at 15:56. The driver in the car was only slightly injured after the incident. Collision during the morning commute in Waukesha, Y on January 3rd, 2024. The Buick driver was safe. A collision occurred at the intersection of Mira and Pobeda Avenues on March 12, 2024. There were no human injuries. An incident at the Vishnikovo intersection on October 23rd caused traffic congestion for several hours. The incident on March 13th, 2024, in New York. Fortunately, it was a minor collision and everyone was fine. A rollover collision occurred in Clearwater, Florida on April 18th. Everyone was healthy. The front bumper of the white Volkswagen was damaged, leading to the incident on April 25th in the USA. road collision in St. Petersburg on May 26th. Miraculously, the people in the car were unharmed. Collision at the intersection in Carrollton, TX on April 17th, 2024. Everyone was safe after the incident of running a red light. The incident on March 18th, 2024, in the USA was captured by a dash cam. No injuries were reported. The collision on the northbound Capitol Freeway in San Jose, California on April 10th, 2024. Speed control when taking a curve is crucial. The incident on April 20th, 2024, on the Turnpike. The incident occurred in the USA on November 9th. No injuries were reported after the incident. A tanker truck suddenly exploded while stopped at a red light in Russia on August 9th. Checking the vehicle before driving is essential.
I got that on fucking
Current
camera.
loop video is now locked.
Security camera captured a crash involving a garbage truck and a train in Mesa. Don't worry, everyone is safe after the collision. The incident occurred on May 8th, 2024, at an intersection in the USA. There were no human or property damages. Maintaining distance while driving is necessary. Collision in Nekrasov on April 25th. A rear-end collision incident on March 15th, 2024, in the UK. Both drivers are okay.
Track. The heaviest rain will be along and just north track from the upper level. That means
This incident was captured on April 24th in Dallas, Texas. Great news, everyone is safe.
Are traveling down a rustic North Carolina road when disaster strikes.
Dashcam recorded a rear-end collision involving a dump truck pushed by a car into a house. The driver suffered only minor injuries. Oh my God, praying for the safety of the driver. The incident due to speeding on August 5th at South Elabre. A collision on the Leningradskoye Highway on October 1st. Pay attention to maintaining distance while driving.